People everywhere are rediscovering fermented foods. These age-old culinary delights are making a comeback in kitchens and dining tables around the globe. From tangy sauerkraut to bubbly kombucha, these fermented foods are not just tasty, but also packed with health benefits. These foods are experiencing a revival. More and more people are incorporating them into their daily diets. But this is more than just a trend. It's a return to traditional, wholesome eating. People are realizing that fermented foods offer a delicious and natural way to improve their well-being. These aren't new inventions. They are time-tested recipes passed down through generations. Cultures around the world have enjoyed fermented foods for centuries. Think of Korean kimchi, Japanese miso, or German sauerkraut. Each of these foods has a rich history and cultural significance. These foods add zest to meals and contribute to a healthy gut. They're not just side dishes, but integral parts of many traditional diets. Today, science is catching up with tradition. Researchers are uncovering the numerous health benefits of fermented foods, from boosting immunity to improving digestion. We're learning more about the amazing ways fermented foods impact our health. They are proving to be powerful allies in maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. This rediscovery is leading to a wider appreciation for these ancient culinary treasures. As we embrace these foods once more, we connect with our past and pave the way for a healthier future. What exactly are fermented foods? Simply put, fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms like bacteria and yeast transform food. They break down sugars and starches, creating lactic acid, enzymes, and other beneficial compounds. Think of yogurt. Milk, a simple ingredient, is transformed by bacteria into a tangy, creamy treat. The same magic happens when cabbage becomes sauerkraut, soybeans become tempeh, or tea becomes kombucha. Fermentation not only changes the flavor and texture of food, but it also increases its shelf life. This was essential in the days before refrigerators, and it remains relevant for reducing food waste today. Now, the real heroes of fermentation are the tiny living organisms, bacteria, yeasts, and molds. These microbes are often seen as harmful, but in the world of fermentation, they are essential. These microorganisms work diligently, breaking down complex sugars and starches into simpler compounds. This process creates lactic acid, which gives fermented foods their characteristic tangy flavor. But the benefits go far beyond taste. During fermentation, these friendly microbes produce enzymes, vitamins, and other nutrients that are beneficial to our health. They are also responsible for creating probiotics, the good bacteria that play a vital role in our gut health. Why is everyone talking about gut health? It's a topic that's gaining more and more attention these days. It turns out a healthy gut is crucial for our overall well-being. From the food we eat to the way we feel, our gut plays a significant role. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms are essential for maintaining our health. This complex ecosystem influences everything from our digestion and immunity to our mood and even our weight. It's like a control center for our body. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in our gut. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, and kefir are excellent sources. These probiotics help crowd out harmful bacteria, preventing them from taking over. They create a protective barrier in our gut. A balanced gut microbiome leads to improved digestion, as the good bacteria assist in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. This means better energy levels and overall health. They also strengthen our immune system by training it to recognize and fight harmful invaders. A strong immune system is our first line of defense against illnesses. Some studies even suggest a link between a healthy gut and improved mental clarity and mood. A happy gut can lead to a happier mind. With all the benefits of fermented foods, it's tempting to go overboard. However, moderation is key. Like anything else, too much of a good thing can have its downsides. Consuming large quantities of fermented foods, especially when your body is not used to them, can lead to digestive discomfort, like bloating and gas. This is usually temporary, but it's a reminder to introduce fermented foods gradually into your diet. Another thing to consider is the quality of fermented foods. While home fermentation can be a rewarding experience, it's important to follow proper hygiene and safety guidelines. When buying fermented products, choose reputable brands that prioritize quality control. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet doesn't require a complete overhaul. Start slowly and listen to your body. A spoonful of yogurt, a forkful of sauerkraut, or a glass of kombucha are all great ways to introduce these foods into your daily routine. Variety is also key. Different fermented foods contain different strains of probiotics, each with its unique benefits. Experiment with different types to find what you enjoy and what makes you feel your best. Remember, fermented foods are not a magic bullet. They are part of a holistic approach to health that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. As we learn more about the fascinating world of the gut microbiome, we begin to understand the profound impact it has on our overall health. The potential of fermented foods becomes even more exciting as we discover their role in promoting a balanced gut environment. We are entering an era of personalized nutrition, where technology and science converge to offer tailored dietary solutions. This means we can now tailor our diets to support the specific needs of our gut, enhancing our digestive health and overall well-being. Imagine a future where we can analyze our gut microbiome with precision and receive personalized recommendations for fermented foods that are specifically beneficial for our unique gut flora. These foods can address specific health concerns, from digestive issues to immune support. This could revolutionize the way we approach digestive health, immunity, and overall well-being, making it more personalized and effective. The journey into the world of fermented foods is a delicious and rewarding one, filled with diverse flavors and health benefits. By embracing these ancient culinary traditions, we not only honor our heritage, but also enhance our health. We can nourish our bodies, expand our palates, and enjoy the myriad of benefits that come with a healthy gut. Unlocking the secrets to a healthier and happier gut is within our reach, and it starts with the foods we choose to eat every day.